Alright, to start off, you're going to take your BW2 bleach and your 30 volume developer by Salon Care. I usually use 40, but they didn't have any, so 2. But you're going to take it, and I don't have like a set recipe. I kind of just eye it. I kind of want it to be like pasty, like enough for my stick to stand up straight so that my mixture doesn't seep through my grids on my lace. Alright, once you get it a little some like this, you're gonna grab your lace closure and you're gonna spread it on there like butter on toast. And I let it sit for maybe like 35-40 minutes. Really, it's a watching game. Like, just pay attention because, like, over the years, I've realized that different laces bleach at different, like, speeds. Like, just really eye it up. Just make sure you're not over bleaching. Usually I sit on aluminum foil, but I ain't had none. I only had Partisans paper or whatever that's called. Now I'm gonna take some purple shampoo that I got from the beauty supply, just to kill the brassy harsh tones or whatever. Da da da. And I let that actually sit for maybe like a few minutes, like 3 minutes. But then I'm gonna take my Chi Infra shampoo. I think I said that right. Then I'm gonna put the Chi Infra treatment. It's like conditioner, and I let it sit for like maybe 10 minutes. Once I get that all washed out or whatever, I'm gonna come through with my lace tint by Taylor crowns in the shade caramel, and I let that sit and dry. The color I'm using is Jet Black by Kiss Expressions. I'm gonna take some Got to Be Glue's free spray and spray it on my lace closure so that we don't accidentally stain the lace. And like I probably could have did the whole watercolor method, but I don't know. I had a lot of time on my hands, so I just decided to do it the old-fashioned way. Yeah, I made this wig myself. This is the Kendras boutique wig. However, I lost some of the footage. But I think I'll still try to like make a video. I'll still post the footage that I do have. Like, I guess. I've been trying to decide, do I want to do that or not. We'll see. We'll see. Hey, y'all go do me a solid and follow me on my social medias. I have Instagram, but I'm not that active right now. I'll probably be more active come New Year's after I have my baby. But on Snapchat, I'm on there like almost every day, pretty much every day. so at this point, finally, I am done. I actually let that sit for like a couple hours before I even touched it again, because you can see this shit stiff than a motherfucker. But I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna wash it with the Chi Infra shampoo and Infra treatment. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know, I would recommend keeping the gloves on until you get this washed out, because this stuff stains like bad. Like my hands after were like black for like probably like 3 days. So yeah, I would definitely recommend wearing gloves through the washing process also. And when it comes to the conditioner, I let that sit of course for probably like 10 minutes again. If anybody knows a good like color conditioner to use, like let me know, cause I live and die by Chi for my weave, but I could probably find something better to use once I choose to dye my hair and stuff. So yeah, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks. Okay, so I know I'm showing y'all twice that I tinted my lace, but the clip from earlier of me showing you how I bleached my lace was before the day of me dyeing the wig. Like I wore this wig for like maybe a week or two before I ever dyed it. So yeah, that was just prior footage that I had that I just threw in the video, since it kind of went with the content. Alright y'all, so now we about to style her. I'm using the 44 Iron Guard by Chi, and I'm also going to use the Silk Infusion oil. I promise y'all, this shit is like the bomb. Like, you can compare it to like BioSilk, but I would choose Chi over BioSilk. Then I'm just taking some regular Rinky Dink. I think this is by like Remington. I got it from Target a few years ago, the blow dryer. Like, I could definitely use a better blow dryer. Shit mad old. Alright, so I've been realizing like throughout this whole video my belly kind of been out, and like I have on no bra. I'm sorry y'all. I be at home and I'm pregnant as fuck, and I just be like trying to be comfortable. So yeah, sorry not sorry. So a lot of the time while I be filming, my daughter is somewhere around crawling. But she ended up, I don't know how she got me to pick her up, but she tried to knock down my camera. So I ended up putting her back down. Alright, this foaming mousse, I have no clue what brand this is. I found it at Marshall's. I think it was on clearance for like $4. So it was just like, okay, let me grab this or whatever. I tried it. It's cool, I guess. Like, work like any other mousse. Say hi! Y'all know I had to show y'all my baby. I'm such a proud mom. Okay, shouts out to Wigaholic on Instagram. Shawty put me on. This flat iron is the bomb. I got it from Amazon. I forgot how much it cost, but it's not like crazy. I think it was like 40 bucks, something like that. But it works like really good, and it like heats up mad fast. Like, I'm gonna put it in the link to it in the description box below. Yeah, this clip had went on for entirely too long, so I like sped it up like super duper super fast because it's just me flat ironing the hair like section by section by section by section. Same thing over and over. Alright, I'm gonna take Temptation by Kiss in the shade black, jet black. And I'm gonna take the end of my comb, the rat tail part, and use that as my thing to spray it or whatever to get that part together, sis. Alright, to finish up, I'm going in with some Cheat Infrastructure and then some Oil Sheen by, it says olive oil, some organic olive oil. And bam, baby, we are done. This hair is so pretty, y'all. If you made it this far, that means you like me, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.